Are we so That's the question from Manchester United fans everywhere as the Red Devils languish in 13th place in the Premier League.
Bruno Fernandes misses!
And it's the same question that the UK should be asking about its national digital infrastructure, which, just like Man U, currently brings great shame and ridicule upon all those associated with it, from the inexcusable post office software debacle to Britain's hard-shoulderless digital smart murderways to the failure of the £10 billion national programme for IT. The UK is world number one in delivering taxpayer-funded digital disaster. I see a direct parallel between these errors and the mistakes that have relegated United from champions of Europe in 1999 to middle table Mandan in 2024. Here's what needs to be fixed. People think Man United started going downhill when Fergie left, but it was actually when Paul Pogba arrived. He was a problem. And French. Fujitsu is the UK government's Pogba. It delivered the code that precipitated the worst miscarriage of justice in the history of the British criminal justice system.
You're either lying through your teeth or you're a complete incompetent. Which?
But the Post Office has paid Fujitsu over £95 million to extend the use of its software. Manchester United and the UK government both like to spend money without any coherent long-term strategy.
Bruno Fernandes misses!
United's owners splurge on elite players and Andreas Pereira. HMG spaffs taxpayer money on consumer broadband, but spending 60 million quid on Casemiro delights no one, and similarly, UK voters will not care how fast they can stream Love Island if the economy collapses because the UK completely misses the next digital industrial revolution. Scene. It's a penalty against Germany. Who are you picking to take it? Stuart Pearce? Of course not. Absurd. But no more so than the UK government choosing Balfour Beatty and Costain to build its digital motorways.
Just go on. I could do that.
If I want my driveway resurfaced, I call the boys from the Black Stuff. If I want to add digital infrastructure to a highway, I giss that job to Ericsson, Nokia or Huawei. Obviously. Just like Tottenham fans, both UK politicians and Manchester United FC have a problem accepting reality. But only by fixing their problems will either of them have a shot at competing in Europe.